This is the second figure that came in today. The Joker 1/6 scale from the Batman animated series. Came in a brown shipper box. Also with these side protectors or corner protectors. There we go. And here's the Joker 1/6 scale. Sounds like there are loose parts or something came off the box. Let's just inspect it in a while. Comes with this plastic protector, and there's Joker, Mark Hamill version from the animated series. So far they've released Mr. Freeze and Catwoman as well. Kids, if you will use a knife to open things up, ask for permission from your parents, okay? Or don't do it, ask an adult to do it for you. Okay? I wouldn't want to see you get hurt. So ask an adult for help. And don't play with the plastics. And there he is. I don't know what's that sound. Sounds like things came loose. So unlike the Batman, I don't think this one has a window. Oh yeah, there we go. Different window though. This one wraps around the side. So there we go. There's the Joker. Different window type. This has this flap that wraps around the corners, the side. And there's the Joker. We'll open it up and see and inspect what's that sound and what came loose. Okay, dokie. Here's the Joker. And there he is. So let's open this up and see how to slice this up. There we go. Let's see what's inside. It's also taped up. So this one is also, there's a little box that keeps it in place. I don't know what's that sound. Okay, so those extra hands came loose. That's what making the sound. So it was supposed to be attached on the back of the clamshell. So let's see. Let's open this up. So at the back, it has extra pair of hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra set of hands. 5 extra pair of hands. One that looks like it can grab a few things, like a trigger finger, a pointed finger. And this one is something to grab on as well, and 2 open hands. The ones that is actually attached to the Joker right now is a closed fist, and this is the stand. So we'll just inspect one hand at a time. It's not movable, but as you can see, this is to grab something, one of the accessories. We'll see what I can change it with. And this another set of hands, open hands. So the inside is like painted gray, outside is bluish, or kind of bluish, light blue. Yeah, there's the joint. Really tight joint. It was supposed to be on this one, but it came loose. And here we go. Here's Joker in another clamshell. Let's open it up. And so it comes with like 1, 2, 3 playing cards attached together. A knife, kind of pointy, but still plastic. I think it is, if you bend this, I think it will break, so just be careful. A Joker bomb. I would prefer for it to actually have like a flame effect, but still good. A Joker dynamite with his face, trademark. Gotta trademark everything, right, Joker? There we go, Joker dynamite. And Joker time dynamite thingy with his face there. Really good. It's, even the rubber textures really good. Soft rubber. And it comes with 3 faces. There's that one maniacal laugh Joker. Serious looking Joker. Or mischievous face Joker. And a scaredy face Joker. And it also comes with 2 fishy smiling fishes. And here is the Clown Prince of Crime, the Joker. Head is really movable. Like you can move it everywhere or every way you want to. Okay. Shoulder joints, really good. It's almost like seamless. They really did a good engineering on this one. And then the elbow joint. The suit is attached to the whole body, so you can really take it off. But it's based on this animated series. It's really good. Yeah, there's a flap here from his suit that separates the torso. And as you can see, if you move this, the top suit actually moves along with it. Really good. And here is the pants. So it's painted, yeah, based on the animated version, like with the shadows and stuff. And this is the knee. You can bend it all the way to that point. And all the ankles, can't really move it too much. Yeah, that's as far as it moves. So let's try to change some of the hands. Just pull that out. And pull that one out. And I think I'll use the two open hands. I think I won't display this with any accessories. I need to make some space, that's why. Here we go. Just insert that there. And yeah, you can really, with all the accessories, all the types of hands, you can really display him in different ways. Every Batman needs a Joker. And if you want to change the head, it's just attached with this peg here. I think I'll display this with this head. Kind of menacing. There we go. That's way better. Just pop this in place. Oops. Better concentrate on doing this. I have to find a way how to set up the camera. There we go. There's the Joker. And now on to Batman.